Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Laska. I'm a college student at Telkom University and I'm from TT41 INT class. So guys, in this video, I will review the international paper to fulfill the assignment of the NGN course. And the paper that I want to review is about IoT, or we call it Internet of Things. Guys, as we know, in this modern era, IoT has become a part of people's daily life. For example, smart city, smart house, smart robot, and the other innovation with a great technology. And also we know that IoT has become the largest computing platform in the world. Guys, I think enough for me to introduce myself and give the opening of the paper that I will to review, and I will continue to the paper. Let's move to the paper, and the title of the paper is IoT Challenges and ICEs. Okay guys, I will continue to review this international paper. So this is the paper. This paper was submitted to Future Technologies Conference 2016 in San Francisco, United States. And this paper title is IoT Architecture, Challenges and ICEs, Lack of the Standardization. This paper was composed by 4 people. They are Sarah, Hajar, Maria, and Sakib. Okay, we are going to start from this paragraph abstract from this part. I think in this paragraph we will find the problem and the solution of the author proposed in this paper. The problem is one of the many significant ICEs is the multitude of language, protocol, and standards, as well as the lack of the agreement on which it works best for individual layers of the IoT. So this is the problem that author proposed in this paper, and the solution in the last paragraph. This paper discusses lack of the standardization ICEs, challenges, and review existing state-of-the-art standard to highlight and overcome it by presenting some technical solution. Okay. Next is introduction. In introduction, the author want to tell us about the definition of IoT, the historical of IoT, the major idea of IoT framework. Okay, there are IoT architecture. There are two common and widely considered architecture. There are 3-layer architecture and 5-layer architecture. What the difference? The difference just in layer. If in 3-layer architecture, as we can see in this picture, the first one is perception layer. This layer is embedded to collect the data from device and send this data to network layer. And in network layer, this layer has responsible for connecting perception layer to physical layer. And the application layer receives the data and will analyze and process to provide service. What difference with the 5-layer architecture? The difference just in this middleware layer and access gateway layer. In this architecture, we can see the difference in they did some exchange message between object and system. And middleware provide more flexible association between hardware device and application. Okay guys, now we can know the difference. Okay, next the last standardization. Okay, I think this is the author show us again the problem in this. Tell us again the problem of this paper. Here's the biggest challenge that is facing the IoT is standardization, which needs to be solved as negatively affects the growth of interoperability of IoT. This statement based on the voting result of light reading. Okay guys. Next chapter, there are related work by current standard. There Hadoop Azure, IoT chat, and IR blending with a SmartThings cell. I think it is not let's say it's more common to us, right? There Arduino, SmartThings, Zigbee protocol, smart device. And next chapter is technical solution and strength. And this chapter, the authors show us how to answer the problem of this paper. Okay, three prominent and effective solutions are the highlight and discussed as follow. The first one is Azure IoT Hub, SmartThings, and threat prospective concern. Okay, IoT Azure Hub propose an IoT reference architecture to support a wide variety of devices, environments, and scenarios, processing patterns and standards with high security and scalability. Okay, and there are also Azure reference, Azure IoT Hub advantage and disadvantage. Okay, next is SmartThings. SmartThings is one of the best available solutions to achieve the standardization designed and developed by Samsung. I'm agree to this sentence because everyone feel it, right? Everyone feel it. SmartThings is one best available solution because it's follow the modern era. Now we are in modern era, right? So everything with a great technologies. Okay, same with IoT Hub Azure architecture, the advantage and disadvantage. And the last is threat. Threat. What is threat? Why threat? Because threat is an IP-based wireless networking protocol with low power consumption and high security, which make it better to connect devices than other technologies like Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So, thread make devices at home connected without any troubles. So, thread is better than Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Okay guys, thread is what the point the other discuss about thread is same with previous point like advantage, disadvantage, architecture, and component. Okay, in the last comparison, in here the section show comprehensive comparison according to the discussion carried in this paper. First one represents table 1 between Microsoft Azure and SmartThings as IoT platforms, and other one between Thread and Zigbee as IoT Open Standard Protocol to emphasize the key difference, strength, and weakness point of this solution. Okay, between Microsoft Azure and SmartThings, two build professional project used to develop smart home project. I think SmartThings is better than Microsoft Azure because these are the newest what I say the newest than this because this is the old component, right? Like Linux or Unix as platforms, Android, Arduino, Embed, TR tools, programming use C libraries, Node.js libraries, C#,
And SmartThings use Groovy programming language, compatible with hundreds of connected products, Zigbee, cloud to cloud. It's like SmartThings, smart robot, smart house, smart city, and the others. So in the conclusion, lack of standard is negatively affecting the growth of IoT. What we get from this paper, there much we get, there much point we get in this paper. This issue can be solved by proposing Azure IoT Suite, integrated platform within IoT Azure Hub, where scalable to hold millions of existing devices and add new devices, supporting various programming languages, support public protocol and operating system. Also, it can progress, analyze, and store data based on the change of their volume, variety, and velocity to get a complete development environment for IoT project and product. Another proposed solution is SmartThings. It's considered a smart home platform. Yeah, as we know, this is the best. I think SmartThings compatible with our modern era now. So SmartThings I think are the best solution for the large standardization. Okay guys, and there's acknowledgement, reference, and so on. Okay guys, that's all from me. Sorry if there are any mistakes. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.